Here's one for the short box fans. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, regular cab, short box 4x4. This truck has underwent restoration work and it shows. We'll get to that in just a little bit. First of all, powered by a 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. And it's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, new AC unit. Blows cold. Let's take a look at this chrome bumper up front. The bright work. Of course, the grille, bug shield already installed, and you can see chrome is in nice shape. Take your time looking through the still pictures as we walk around this. I'll tell you some of the things that have been done to this truck recently, and you'll be able to look at the still pictures, see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, black paint shows well. It has had a repaint at a local shop in our area known for quality work. It also has new rims and tires that were installed. And as you can see, nice shape, a little more modern Chevy wheel. Chrome Nerf bars. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this truck. Look at the reflection in that black paint. Again, you can see that the paint shows well. All right, let's get into some of this recent restoration work. When we get around to the rear, new shocks, new spray-in bed liner. And you can see the paint not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Nice contrasting. Burgundy cloth interior, split bench. We'll get around to the driver's side, talk about that more here in a second. I mentioned it does have new AC components as well as alternator. Bodywork. It does have new metal locks on it, as well as doors and new front fenders, rockers, cab corners, rear bumper. Metal was taken off a Texas truck when this truck was restored, so that's why it is so straight. Let's go ahead and take a peek at these lower rockers above the wheel wells, cab corners, and again, you'll be able to see those from an angle looking upward too from the underside pick. So if you get into the underside picks on our website, you're going to be able to see what I'm talking about. You'll be able to see all of the underside picks, and then there'll be some angled upward picks of those lower rockers. There you go. You can see new spray-in bed liner. It's a good looking truck, folks. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, receiver hitch in the back, rear bumper is new. Headlights, taillights, mirrors, door sill plates, wheel well liners, also new when this truck was restored. Our technicians also mentioned rear brakes were like new sway bar links. Again, call us 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com, so you can check out all the still pictures. Let's take a quick peek down the lower rockers around the wheel wells on the driver's side. If you're into these Chevrolets anywhere from the 80s to 90s, maybe older ones, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase either online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. And again, you can see up and down this driver's side, also nice and straight. Paint shows well. Quality job. All right, let's move on to the interior. So I said they're kind of burgundy or wine color. Now, something I want to point out in this, if you've watched my videos before, this is one of those colors. Right now, how you're looking at that door panel, that is the true color of the interior. If I step back and away from it, this right in here, that's the true color of the interior. And why I say that is it's one of those colors, if I get right up on top of it, it's gonna wash it out, just like that. That is not the color of this interior. It is the camera and the video playing tricks on you. So right there, there's a true good shot of what that interior looks like. Split bench. Looks like, what, 60/40. Fold down armrest. Tilt column, cruise control. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. AM, FM cassette player. Again, that switch over here, 1995. And let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the odometer. It's 103,005 miles. Remember, this truck has went through a lot of restoration work. It also sounds good. All right, top of the dash. Not sun faded, cracked, discolored, looks good. Seating surface over here on the passenger side. Again, it'll wash out a little bit because I'm inside the truck and a little closer. Fabric looks good. AC blows cold. Remember, new AC components. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that flashing seatbelt light since I don't have that on. Gauges look like they are working and functioning as they should. Fuel gauge, oil pressure, battery, and temp gauge. Tach working. Hey, listen to that. As far as the seat, over here on the driver's side, we do have a little bit of wear from going in and out on the edge of it. Try to give you a true idea what it looks like. No rips, tears, or holes though. All right. Again, bed liner is like new. Let me slip around to this side, see. Hear it run a little bit better. That's a good sounding truck. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front. Let me get this hood popped. And condition of the paint, very good also. Let me get this hood popped. Let's check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're gonna take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. So hang on just a bit. Hood liner looks good. This is a nice, clean, tidy engine bay, folks. So there it is, 5.7 liter. Tried and true 350 V8. Second newer alternator, I mentioned that earlier. Power steering, power brakes. AC, here's new AC components. Second newer battery also. This one's ready to go. Get in it, turn the key, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Maybe you just like a truck that looks good compared to a lot of those new ones out there. 1995 Chevrolet. Regular cab, short box 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, stick around just a bit. We're taking this thing for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1995 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. This is a four-wheel drive with an automatic right here on the column. Nice black paint on this truck with kind of a dark burgundy interior. Good color combo. Good sounding exhaust in this truck. Nice throttle response. We have a tachometer, speedometer working well. All our other gauges working well. Battery's charging over 14. The temperature is about 170 right now. Still warming up. Oil pressure at 40. Factory stereo. Sounds good. Blower motor works. AC blows cold on this truck. Letting go of the go. This truck stays nice and straight and easy to steer. Power brakes working well. This is a regular cab truck. Corners nicely. Everything feels tight. No play anywhere. Split bench seat with a fold down armrest. Very nice Chevy truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.